there will be the day of judgment. But the disbelievers go astray. However, they will be brought to the account on the day of judgment. Especially the people of knowledge, who knew such information and did not believe. Okay? They will be in really a hard situation. And they will be questioned about their knowledge. That was not used for their purpose, to guide them to the hereafter, to the paradise. Unfortunately, it did not guide them to the paradise. It guided them to the hellfire. They will regret this on the day of judgment. But at that time, no chance to come back in order to believe. That's it. Either paradise or hellfire.
Because even Einstein has reached to the same facts.
I'm talking about all scientists. Those who came to the truth and found the truth, yet they went astray. Yes.
He was describing the end, or the universe that vanished, according to entropia theory. He told it like that. Depends about, just about temperature transmissions. He told that the end, or the world in the end, will destroy, and even the suns and the moons will crush the earth. This is written in physics books.
Yes.
It's not entropia theory.
Yeah. And you will be able to listen to some of these scientists about the whole universe, and stop a second with your soul, with yourself. Glory be to Allah. These people found the truth, yet they deviate from the truth. Okay. Now, I would like to present to you some of such scholars, and you will be able to see them, listen to them, talking about the verses of the Quran. Of course, I started with Professor Alfred Kroner, geologist, the head of the Department of Geology at Johannes Gutenberg University, Mainz, Germany. He said, I think it is almost impossible that he, meaning Muhammad, could have known about things like the common origin of the universe, because scientists have only found out within the last few years, with very complicated and advanced technological methods, that this is the case. He added, somebody who did not know something about nuclear physics 1400 years ago could not, I think, be in a position to find out from his own mind, for instance, that the earth and the heavens had the same origin. And then he will also ask another question, but I will leave the answer of this question for your ears to listen and for your eyes to see.
Somebody who did not know something about nuclear physics 1400 years ago could not, I think, be in a position to find out from his own mind, for instance, that the earth and the heavens had the same origin, or many other of the questions that we have discussed here. If you combine all these, and you combine all these statements that are being made in the Quran, in terms that relate to the earth and the formation of the earth and science in general, you can basically say that the statements made there in many ways are true. They can now be confirmed by scientific methods. And in a way you can say that the Quran is a simple science textbook for the simple man. And that many of the statements made in there at that time could not be proven, but that modern scientific methods are now in a position to prove what Muhammad said 1400 years ago.
Okay, so he said that the Quran could be described as A simple text, scientific textbook. Simple. Coming from what? A simple man. Okay. But he did not bear witness that there is no true God but Allah, and then have the right to worship, etc. It's up to him. But this is a famous scholar from Germany. Give the Quran big witness that the Quran is truthful, that the Quran is describing the universe precisely. Another scientist was able to read some of the verses of the Quran related to the origin of the universe. He is from Japan. And I will introduce to you his words. And you will be able to notice that once such people of knowledge go through the Quranic verses, they cannot say anything. They cannot say anything except they submit to the verses of the Quran. They cannot deny the verses of the Quran at all, because the facts are there in science and in the Quran, the Holy Quran. You will be able also to listen to his words.
Actually, I'm very much impressed by finding true astronomical facts in Quran. And for us, we modern astronomers have been studying very small fields of the universe. We concentrated our efforts for understanding of very small part, because by using telescope, we can see only a very few parts of the sky without thinking whole the universe. So by reading Quran and by answering to your questions, I think I can find my future way for investigation of the universe.
So, this professor is Yoshide Kusan from Japan. He admired the Quran to the extent that he said he is